What if I told you there's a way to make thousands of dollars online without breaking a sweat? Imagine earning $6,400 a week from the comfort of your home. Intrigued? Stick with me because today I'm revealing 9 of the laziest ways to make money online using ChatGPT. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Intro. I've shared countless methods for making money online, but today I'm letting you in on some of the laziest and most effective ways you can leverage one of the biggest technological revolutions happening right now. You don't need to do all the hard work yourself. By making smart decisions like a CEO, you can sit back and watch the majority of the work be done for you. Yes, I'm talking about artificial intelligence, specifically ChatGPT. If you're not familiar, ChatGPT is an AI tool that can think and write like a human, giving you the power of a talented employee working around the clock. Method 1. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is one of the easiest ways to make money online. And when you pair it with ChatGPT, it becomes even lazier. Set up a website in a niche like fitness or shoes. Use ChatGPT to generate articles and content for your site. For example, if you're writing about the best running shoes, ask ChatGPT to create a 2,000-word article on the pros and cons of specific shoes. Use affiliate links to products in your content and earn commissions on every sale. Partnering with high-payout digital products can maximize your earnings. Method 2. Faceless YouTube channels. Running faceless YouTube channels is another great way to earn money. Take inspiration from my student, Carrie, who makes $10,000 per month without ever showing his face. Use ChatGPT to script videos about software, tools, or any niche you're interested in. You can use AI voiceover tools and video creation platforms like Pictory to produce content without ever stepping in front of a camera. Method 3. Email writing. Every company needs engaging emails. Offer your services as an email writer. With ChatGPT, you can generate hundreds of emails quickly. For instance, ask ChatGPT to write a 500-word email promoting an online course. Reach out to potential clients via email, Instagram, or platforms like Fiverr and Upwork. With 20 clients paying you $1,000 a month each, you could make $20,000 per month. Method 4. Twitter account management. Twitter, now X, is a new frontier for making money online. Create an account in a popular niche like fitness or finance. Use ChatGPT to generate tweets and threads. Engage with followers and grow your audience. Twitter's new policy allows creators to earn revenue from ads. Combine this with affiliate marketing for additional income. Method 5. Translation services. Offer translation services using ChatGPT. Take scripts or documents from clients, translate them with ChatGPT, and charge for your services. You can find clients on Upwork or Fiverr. Translate 2 videos per day and make $100 daily or even more depending on the complexity and length. Method 6. Resume creation. Many people need professional resumes but don't know where to start. Offer resume writing services. Use ChatGPT to create impressive resumes quickly. Charge $200 per resume on platforms like Upwork. Detailed prompts yield the best results, so include all relevant information in your ChatGPT queries. Method 7. Product descriptions. E-commerce sites need compelling product descriptions. Use ChatGPT to write detailed descriptions for products on Amazon, Shopify, and other platforms. Charge $15 per description and scale your earnings by taking on bulk orders. Method 8. Digital product creation. Digital products like ebooks and online courses are in high demand. Use ChatGPT to create these products and sell them on platforms like Gumroad or Digistore24. Research successful products in your niche, design your digital product, and use ChatGPT to write the content. Method 9. Becoming a prompt expert. Companies need experts who know how to get the best results from AI tools. As a prompt expert, you can sell ChatGPT prompts on platforms like Gumroad. This new field offers high earning potential as businesses seek efficient ways to use AI. Ready to take your online earnings to the next level? This exclusive course, YouTube Mastery Monetization, teaches you how to make money online with ChatGPT, faceless YouTube channels, and more. Packed with insider tips and strategies, this course will help you grow your online presence and maximize your income. Click the link in the description or pinned comment to get started today. Remember, the only way to achieve success is by taking action. Don't just watch this video and move on. Start implementing these strategies today. Please subscribe if you found this valuable. I have loads of videos up and coming that will help you and bless you on your journey to freedom. I love you and I'm rooting for you. See you in the next video. Remember, this is your time. It starts today.